Today, I'm showing you how to change video background in CapCut on your Android device without using a green screen. Let's get started. Step 1. Open CapCut. Open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Step 2. Create new project. Tap New Project to start editing. Step 3. Add background video. Select and add the video you want to use as your new background. This will be the bottom layer. Step 4. Add overlay. Tap on Overlay at the bottom menu, then tap Add Overlay. Step 5. Select Main Video. Choose your main video, the one with the person or subject you want to keep. This video will have its background removed. Step 6. Adjust overlay size. Pinch to zoom and resize the overlay video to fit properly over the background video. Make sure the subject fills the frame nicely. Step 7. Select Overlay. Make sure the overlay video, your main video, is selected on the timeline. Step 8. Open Tools. Tap the bottom scroll at the menu and you'll find Remove BG. Step 9. Remove Background. Tap Auto Removal or Remove Background. CapCut automatically detects and removes the background from your main video if you have the premium version. If you don't, do it manually. Step 10. Wait for processing. Wait 10 to 30 seconds while CapCut processes and removes the background. The AI automatically separates the subject from the background. Step 11. Preview result. Your main subject now appears over the new background video with the original background removed. Step 12. Export video. Tap the Export button in the top right corner, select your quality settings, and save your video with the changed background. And that's it. You've successfully changed video background in CapCut on your Android device without using a green screen.